You are going to love the 2018 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power sunroof, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, power driver seat, leather shift knob, overhead console, tilt steering wheel. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.